Good morning to all the students. Welcome to the physics class. So, students, in the last videos, we discussed the image formation with the help of concave mirrors, है ना? And we did 6 cases, and we made the different images and with the different position of the object. So there were the 6 cases. So here is the summary of all the 6 cases, as you can see in the table. So we made 6 cases with the 6 positions of the object. So these are given here. So in first case, object was infinity, then it was at beyond C, then at C, between C and F and between P and F. So accordingly, you can see here that the position of the image is accordingly changes. So when the object is at infinity, the position of the image is at focus. So similarly, in second case, you can see that the image of position is between F and C. F means focus and C means center of curvature. Similarly, in third case, the object and the image both are at same position. In fourth case, the object is between C and F means between center of curvature and focus, and image is beyond C. When the object is placed at focus, then the image position will be at infinity. So similarly, in the sixth case, we have the object between P and F means between pole and the focus, and the position of the image is behind the mirror. So students, these are the positions of the images. So as well, we have the size of the images are different in the different cases. So here you can see that in the when we have the sixth case, in that we have the enlarged image. In the fourth and fifth case, we also have the image size is enlarged, means greater than the object. And in our first 3 cases, in first 2 cases, the image size is smaller, and in the third case, the image size is same as the object. So similarly, we have the nature of the images. We have 2 types of images, real and the virtual. So always remember, when we write real means the image which can be taken or which can be formed on the screen, and which cannot be formed on screen, that image is known as virtual image. So in first 5 cases, we have real image, and in the last case, we have the virtual image. So here students, this is the summary about the all cases, 6 cases. Now next we have uses of concave mirror. So basically, concave mirror gives enlarged image. So basically, the concave mirror gives us a large image. So it gives the image whose size is greater than the object. So always remember, its application is to see the enlarged enlarged image of the object. So here, if we see, the first application is shaving mirror. So similarly, students, in shaving, we need that the image of our face should be enlarged, so that we can see every pore of the every small tiny hairs on the face, so that we can cut it down. So shaving mirror gives the enlarged image of the face, so that we can see the minute, we can do the shaving minutely. So students, this is also used by dentist to see the large images of the teeth. So here in the diagram you can easily see the application of the concave mirror. So basically the basic function of concave mirror is to give the enlarged image. So where we need the enlarged image, there we will use the concave mirror. Also it is used by the car makers or vehicle makers for the headlights, vehicle headlights. So how it functions there? See students, suppose this is the headlight. Okay, here is the bulb. Okay, now students, bulb gives light in all the directions. So the position of the bulb is such that it is at the focus of the mirror. This is the concave mirror and this is the bulb. So students, it gives light in this direction also, in this direction also, in this direction also, in this direction, in this direction, in all the directions. So students, after striking the concave mirror, all the lines will become parallel. So all the lines will become parallel and it gives a parallel beam of the light. So these are some of the uses of the concave mirror. You can write it down. Next we have image formation with the help of convex mirror. Recently we did the image formation with the help of concave mirror. Now this is the convex mirror. Now you know very well that convex mirror is a diverging mirror, and according to shape, its shape is that its reflecting surface is curved outward. So as you can see in the diagram, this is the convex mirror. So students, in the convex mirror, we can have only two types of cases. We can place the object at infinity or anywhere in front of the mirror. Anywhere means between infinity to its pole. So anywhere we can place here, we can place here, we can place here, here. So in all the cases, we will have the position of the image between P and F, and the image size in all the cases will be smaller than the object. So basically, if you make the diagrams with the help of convex mirror, you should be aware of all the 4 rules which we have studied for the convex mirror. So remember students, before watching this video for making the convex mirror images, you should study first the rules for the convex mirror. So there were the 4 rules. You should study first those rules, then you should watch this video, then you can understand well. Otherwise you cannot understand this. So here if you see, let's we have example. See students, suppose this is our convex mirror. This is principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, and this is the center of curvature. Suppose in first case the object is at infinity. So students, we know that when the object is at infinity, then rays coming from that object are parallel to the principal axis. So these are two rays coming from the object which are parallel. Now students, as we studied in the concave mirror, now we have to apply rules for making the images. Now student, here as you know that the first rule, that any ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it diverges in the direction of focus. Okay, and also this will also diverge in the direction of the focus. So students, here these are the reflected lines. These are the reflected rays of light R1 and R2. लेकिन these both are not meeting actually. So they diverge, so they will not meet at any point. But to make image, we have to see that point where two reflected rays of light meet. But here they are diverging. As they are diverging, so they will not meet. But if we backtrack these two lines, so they meet at the focus. They actually don't meet. But if we backtrack both the lines, then they will meet at the focus. So here we see that this image will be at the focus. But as we know that the nature of the image will be virtual. As I told you in the previous video, that when we draw the image by backtracking the two lines, then the image formed is the virtual image. So the real image is always formed by actual intersection of reflected lines. But there is no actual intersection. We have to backtrack the reflected lines and make the image. So that's why this is the virtual image. And size of the image is diminishing, point size. So student, this is our case number 1 in convex mirror. So students, अगर आपको रूल्स ध्यान हैं, रूल्स आते हैं, तब आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी फॉर मेकिंग द इमेजेस. तो यहाँ पे आप पोजीशन लिखोगे एट फोकस और साइज लिखोगे पॉइंट साइज, और आपका जो इसका नेचर है वो लिखोगे वर्चुअल. और रूल कौन सा यूज़ किया आपने? यू यूज्ड फर्स्ट रूल. So students, this is the first case of image formation by convex mirror. We will do the further cases in the further videos. Thanks for attending the class.